Hey guys, it is a beautiful sunny day. I have been sewing all week, so the house is all dusty and in need of a cleaning, and I thought, you know what? Today is the day. I'm gonna finally get started on my spring cleaning. That is what I'm gonna do today, and I thought I would just take you along with me because I always really enjoy watching these videos. I find them very motivating, seeing other people tackling their cleaning. I have a list up on my blog of kind of like a spring cleaning checklist of all the areas that I tend to normally forget to clean or that I feel like should be cleaned periodically, but I just don't do often enough. So I'm gonna go through that and see how far I get. Honestly guys, spring cleaning is often a multiple day job, but I have all day for it today, so I'm just gonna see how far I get. First thing I want to do is to tackle something that needs to marinate a bit, and that is the bathroom. Our bathroom is enclosed and has no windows, and it only has this kind of fan system that doesn't work well enough to prevent mold from forming in our bathroom. We take all kinds of precautions to prevent the mold from forming. We wipe down the shower after every use and things like that, which actually really helps, but still after a while there just will be some mold, so I need to tackle that today. In my day-to-day cleaning, I always use non-toxic, eco-friendly cleaning products, but for that mold tackling you need something more heavy duty, so I'm gonna put on my gloves. Face mask, now that I have plenty of face masks, that might be a really good idea. It might be a good place to start. Ew, ew, ew. I fully realize how ridiculous it might look that I'm wearing a face mask like this, but this is a very small and very poorly ventilated room, and I remember last time I used this stuff, I could actually feel it in my airways. Really unpleasant, and I am terrified of this stuff. Better take that extra precaution. Might not even do anything, but you know, it won't hurt to try. So that is going to be setting for 30 minutes. Let me put up a timer, and then I can rinse it off and move on to the next thing. So let's see if there's anything I can do in the meantime. Oh, this is so much better. Well guys, that is it. This is where I leave you. I am exhausted, but just looking around me, I am so happy and so relieved that all of those little things that have been bothering me for a long time are now finally done and clean, and everything looks so fresh and smells nice and fresh and clean. And yeah, this was a good decision. This was a good day. I'm happy I did it. I didn't show you the bedroom because it is tiny and currently completely full of wedding dress. I have now made a skirt, a tulle skirt, and it is huge, and the entire room is just filled with it. I skipped over the bedroom, but you're just gonna have to take my word that I cleaned it. Something I want to do when Robert comes home is to flip the mattress and vacuum underneath the bed, but I can't do that by myself. But other than that, everything is done. I'm so happy that the bathroom is now clean and I removed that mold. The kitchen is nice and fresh, and it just such a relief. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Maybe you found it motivating and you are ready to tackle your own spring cleaning now. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for lots more beauty, lifestyle and fashion content and sewing. If you would like to support me through Patreon or my merch store, there are links in the description box below. Thank you so much for your support. There is another video here that I think you might also enjoy. You can go watch next. Thank you so much for watching once again, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!